As a business, we have some wholesale customers, like some cafe customers, and we look after them every week, and that's just kind of like its own little business. The online stuff has been because of the fruitcake that we sell, and that started with a little bit of sales on our website, and then we thought we'd give Amazon a try. We tried a little bit on Etsy. So as an online business, we're probably about 4 years now. Lockdown was like a turning point for us, really, a big turning point, because we've been sort of, normal business. We were doing our cakes to our cafe customers, and then we tried to start a bit of stuff online with that, but we didn't really know what we were doing. And then lockdown came, and we had no customers. And so we had to do it. We just had to sort our online business out, because without that, we had no business. The experience of putting products on Amazon is a little bit banging your head on the wall. I took all my own photographs. I thought, I can do that, I can manage that. And the end result wasn't great. I got a postcard from Eloise from Sell Beyond. I was like, oh, Amazon marketing. Oh, okay. Well, I'm interested in that. So I got in touch. Yeah, I think I was on the phone for about 40 minutes with her, and we had this amazing conversation of how our business could potentially be amazing. And she'd done a little bit of research on what potential was for our business on Amazon, and I didn't really believe her at first. Well, that can't be true. I mean, there can't be that many cakes you could possibly sell on Amazon. But it appears to be true. What Eloise told us is that I think we can help you, because we need to give you a much better profile. We need to get your listing with some proper search terms, some good keywords, a strong title, and some good quality product information there. And also, you need to get your pictures done as well. I think I put the phone down with Eloise and thought, how have we got by? How have we managed to do this without all that being right? And you look back at it then and think, that was a mess. We need some help with this. I think this is the sort of thing that I knew nothing about, and oh God, it's weird. Oh God, it's ridiculous. That was the breakthrough. What was happening was that we were just sending cakes to Amazon, and I'd say, right, well, we can bake 18 in at a time, so we'll send 18, or maybe we'll send 2 lots. We'll send 36. So box them all up, go through all that, send 36 off, and then I'd sit and watch the orders come through, and drip through. I was having a chat with Eloise, and I was explaining that this is what I was doing. I was sending them, and I was like, "You're doing really well. You're not doing well at all." What do you mean? She says, "Well, you've got to feed the monster." God, yeah. What I didn't understand is that I think I'm sending my stuff to Amazon. Amazon puts it on the shelf, and that's it. What I didn't realise was that Amazon would come up with this number, and it would say, well, you can send me 120. And I'd be like, 120? What Eloise says to me was that, well, what you do realise is Amazon is a monster, and you've got to keep feeding it. If it says it thinks you need to send 120, you must send 120. Because if you don't, it won't advertise your products around the country. So you're only going to sell 36 but if you send it 120, you'll sell 120. Jeez. And that's the penny dropped. If Amazon's going, right, okay, well, you sent me 120, well done, so we'll sell you 120. So, okay, well, actually we think we can sell 150. And that number was going up, and it does go up. So we'd send more, and they did sell. I think it made you look at it completely differently, because you can see the potential. You can think, right, well, is this product going to work? and Amazon will tell you what they think is possible. Obviously, when you start, it just takes a bit of time to get the ball rolling, but if you keep going with it, then yeah, the potential is there. Now that term is in, like, feed the monster is in my brain now, and so anything we've got now is feed that monster, because that Amazon is that monster. Don't try and do it all yourself. Go and get some help, because you can't. And also, things will happen a lot quicker, and they will look a lot better, and the reaction will be, I think, will be better. And also, you'll enjoy the process, because we've enjoyed the process of doing it without a shadow.